to Ramenas. This is Rana. Today I'm going to show you how to make a origami paper swan like this, which can stand very easily. So to make a origami paper swan, we need a square paper and black marker. So let's get started. Hold one corner of the paper and fold it into a triangle like this. Open it. Now we get a diagonal line in the middle. Hold the corner in the up on the right side and fold it like this. Make sure that the edge over here is touching the line properly. Do the same with the other side. Make sure that while folding, this point over here doesn't get spoiled. Now, hold the corner and fold it till this point, like this. Hold the corner again and fold it in the middle, like this. Now, turn it around, hold the upper edge and fold it into a half from the middle like this. Now hold the edge and pull it like this. Then fold. I show it to you again. Pull the edge and fold. Now we have this half left still. So we're going to pull and fold. Now our origami swan is ready. Now we are going to take the black marker and make the eyes and the beak. If you like our video, please put a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. We'll see you in our next video. Have a nice day.